cheerful morning wishes to your honorable principal sir, respected coordinator, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Manali Kirti, along with the members of Grade I Sapphire, present in today's morning assembly with a prayer song. Let us begin this present day by praising the Lord Almighty. I call upon Arona for the Bible reading. Good morning. Today's Bible portion is taken from Marthandam, chapter 14, verse 34. The glory of the Lord through the tabernacle. Amen. Dear friends, let us join our hands, close our eyes and lower our heads as Gideon Sophie leads us with the Lord's Prayer. Kindly repeat the prayer after me. Our Father in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom come. Your will be done. On earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread. Forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power of the glory, forever and ever. Amen. A positive thought always refresh our mind and soul. So to refresh our thought, I would like to call Jess and to deliver the thought for the day. Good morning. Today's thought is sincerity is the road we need to travel off a better way of life. I repeat that sincerity is the road we need to travel off a better way of life. Thank you. Thank you, Jason, for the beautiful thought. I would like to call Adira to present a drop of wisdom from Tirukural. Vanakkam. Indian Tirukural. Nandri marapadu anrandu, nandaladu anje marapadu nandu. Vilakkam. Oruvar செய்த நன்மையை எப்பொழுதும் a new vocabulary. Hi Bella, how are you? I am good. Can you please give me a English notebook? I was absent for 2 days, so I want to finish up the notes. Finish up? What does it mean? Finish up is an idiom. It means to complete. Oh, thank you for sharing your knowledge. Bye. To enrich our general knowledge, here comes Samira, Christian, Jupres, Adi, two presents by interesting facts. Good morning. Today's interesting facts are caterpillars have 12 eyes, octopus have 3 hearts, bees are found in everywhere apart from Antarctica. Thank you. Good morning. Horses and cows sleep standing up. Kangaroos cannot walk backward. A group of frogs is called an army. Thank you. Next we have Adi to give us 2 health tips. Good morning. Eat real food. Get sunlight every day. Sweat every day. Thank you. To enrich our character and to challenge our behavior, here comes Anna with some values. Good morning everyone. I am Anna. Today I am going to tell you a story. The title of my story is Sincerity. One day, as usual, a woodcutter was on his way to work. When he was crossing the river, accidentally his axe fell in the river. Oh, my axe! Oh, I lost my axe. God, please help me. He was very poor, so he couldn't buy any other axe. I lost my axe. Hearing him, an angel appeared before him. Don't cry, I will come with your axe. The angel came up carrying a golden axe. Take your axe. No, this is not mine. My axe was made up of iron. Once again, the angel came up carrying a silver axe. No, this is not mine. My axe was made up of iron. Once again, the angel went into the river and soon reappeared carrying the axe of wood. I got my axe. Yes, this is my axe. Oh, angel, thank you very much. I will always indebted to you. The angel was impressed by them. She presented him the golden and silver axes in recognition of his truthful nature. Moral: truthfulness brings its own reward. Thank you. Now let us get refreshed and renew our energy. Here comes Shafida to present a speech. I, Shafida of Grade I Sapphire, here to present a few words on sincerity. Sincerity is an essential element to life. A sincere person is always welcome because of his truthful mind, friendly attitude, and real personality. Thank you. Now let's enjoy dance by our friends.